on right side, we
Right.
have
Bismillah.
flowers.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I think the flower on the right side is
Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to
more.
explain
There are more flowers
the
on the
different
right
maps
side,
that show changes over time. The first map describes how the lake
and then
side are
now
changed between the years
the
2000
park
until
side
2009. And right after that, I will continue with the second map,
is
which
already
shows how
got so
a
many
park
parks.
developed
You can go to the
from
left, you can go straight, you can go to
90,
the right, and we have here
1980
on the left
to the
side
present day.
of the no park.
Right.
We have
Before I
only
begin,
three
let me
benches.
introduce myself. My name
Now
is
we have
Mas Ahmad Jamar.
four benches,
I'm from Wilayah Bandar
and
Priang.
like the
So
benches is
just move to
moving to the left side
the,
a
ex-
bit,
the explain.
and the
Alright,
pond,
for the
I
overview,
think it's still
overall,
there. And
lakeside expands major redevelopment during
we
this
have
9-year period.
bushes
Many
in the
old
left side
buildings
instead of
were
flowers.
removed, new
I don't know
facilities
why.
were added, and
Maybe
several
the
others
park is
were organized.
unmaintained
And left
by
side changed in 2000. The left side of the map contained residential areas, an art
we have
center,
bushes
a
instead of
school,
flowers.
old town,
And on
and
the
the
right side,
warehouse.
there are no flowers
But
again,
by
and it changed to
2009, this place had completely disappeared.
can play in the park.
The Jericho warehouse were replaced with a car park
On the top right side,
and office buildings. Old town and the art center were removed.
the
The residence area on the left also no longer exists.
like from we have
This shows that the left side was transformed from an older
triangle shape from
mixed area into a more modern commercial zone. Central area changed in 2000. The central area was mostly empty. However, by 2009, the major new buildings appeared, a multi-screen cinema and a shopping center. This addition reflects the city's shift toward entertainment and commercial development.
let's move
Lake and natural area. Originally, the right side has a large lake surrounded by wall.
from
But in 2009, the lake had become a much smaller pond. The wetland remained but changed shape slightly.
Old Town, Woodland, a big
A university was also built near the pond, replacing other areas and improving educational facilities.
down left side. And we have a
Industrial and residential change.
residential
The
area
industrial
here,
complex grew much longer in 2009. Meanwhile, the residential area at the bottom of 2000 map disappeared
that way.
and was replaced with the new resident housing located in the upper right.
2009,
Lakeside summary in short, Lakeside changed from an old mixed-use town in a modern commercial and educational area with the new buildings like a cinema,
and the old
shopping
town
center,
is the
university,
office.
car park,
And
and
beside
office.
the offices, which is Old Town Place, we have
Alright,
a university also, and the
this was
university is
for
cut
the
the
first
woodland, so woodland is
the first maps.
trimmed a little bit. And
So
look at the 2000, we have a lake. So
Wait a
before we
minute.
have a lake in the middle
Let
of
me
the woodland, and now
introduce,
we just only have a pond.
explain more
Yeah, pond is so,
about the
and the flow
The
of
first
the
part.
river is like changing a bit. Or no, I don't know. I think
So,
the flow
can-
is changing a bit from this
so
short and then long, and then
this area went through a major transformation, almost like a complete development project. The difference between two maps show the township from old underdeveloped areas into a modern, organized, and more functional environment.
we have an art center here. Below the
Alright,
residential
so
area now.
the first change on the left side from old and outdated and outdated to modern facilities.
Decrease.
In the year 2000, the entire left side of the map looked older and somewhat crowded.
Instead
It
of
had
residential
several
area,
elements such as
and
two large
on the
residential
right
areas,
side, we have
an art center, a school, a town with Saga's historical and traditional buildings, and a block,
like it's
the different block there warehouse, which means abandoned unused industrial buildings.
almost cut
These features made the left side look a bit messy
river.
and outdated, but
orange
by
cut
but by the year
of the
2009, this
because
whole
the half of the
section
Western because the industrial
had been completely
I mean
redesigned.
that's far from me.
What happened?
That is my
The
son.
directly warehouse we
Explaining
removed and
about
replaced the
my
large car
map
park. The new
of
house,
the
new
park
office buildings,
and
which shows
next time.
modernization and
Thank you so
economic growth.
much.
An old
I'm
town
Robert.
area was demolished, possibly because all buildings were no longer suitable and safe. Alright, so
Done. Time to upload it.
that was for the first, and alright, let me move to the second map.
Yes, lo udah foto yes. Foto udah ada. Foto ngajar udah ada.
Alright, let's move on the second second maps. Alright, now let's look more closely at what actually changed in the lakeside over the 9 year period, because there were many important developments. First, First, dark warehouse in the eastern part of the map were completely removed in 2000. This area looked abandoned and unused, but by 2009, it had been transformed into a much more productive space. The land was replaced with a large car park, new office buildings, and even a university. This show a clear shift from an old industrial environment, a more modern, urban educational setting next in the central area. We see some of the biggest change in the years 2000. This part of Lake site had an old town with older buildings. However, by 2009, the old town no longer existed. Instead, the central area was upgraded with two major public facilities, a shopping center and multi-screen cinema. This addition suggests that the town was focusing more on entertainment, commercial activities, and improving lifestyle option for residents and visitors. Another interesting change in the transformation, the natural feature in 2000. There was large take bath 2009. Alright, industrial complex resident management. First, let's mention the features that stayed the same. The pond is still the same position today as it was in 1980. The bench surrounding the pond also remain their original location. The flower area is still present, although the shape and position are slightly adjusted, but generally it continues to exist. The parts of the park were preserved because they are traditional and enjoyed by visitors. Next, let's look at the changes in the vegetation. In, nine, in 1990, there were trees located in the upper right section of the park. Three, these trees are still there today, which means this area was kept mostly natural. However, in the new layout, another type of plant has been added. A bush area appears near bottom part of the park, part of the park, replacing some of empty space that existed in 1980. This addition adds more variety to the plant life in the park. Addition of new facilities. Now let's discuss this biggest change with our new facilities. Compared to 1980, the modern park house includes chairs and desks, creating a place people to sit, relax, and have outdoor meals. barbecue area, park suitable for family gathering and outdoor cooking, a large playground which which is replaced empty the right called map. The playground includes climbing, structures, swings and slides, making the park much more attractive for children and families. Another noticeable change is the layout, the pathways. In one 1980, the paths were mostly straight and simple leading directly from the gate to the pond of the flower area. But now, the paths are more curved and spread to connect all the facilities such as the playground, barbecue area, and bush section. This new layout makes the park easier to explore and more visual appealing. So this improvement make them park more modern, more family friendly, and better suited for social activities. Alright, maybe that's all from me. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.